Well, we're just gonna go a little ways further where we can maybe see some moose, and then we'll head back.
Feels really good to be out here today. I think even Kai's having a good time. We had to upgrade to the next hat size, so Cub got too big on us. He's so cute. Beautiful over Denali Way. You probably can't see on the camera, but the mountain's just out and awesome. A couple of snowflakes up here. So warm, I don't even have a coat on. Awesome.
Sometimes it's too hard for Luna to pull, so I gotta help her. Okay, come on, Luna. Come on, Luna, come on. Come on. Come on. Luna, come on, let's go. Come on, Luna, do it. Come on. Come on. Come on, you can do it. You're too heavy, little one. You're too heavy. I gotta help her a little bit. Okay, why don't you hop in?
Really good.
You gonna pull Kai in the sled?